Today is 100 degrees in Fresno, California, and welcome to our Aquaponics channel. Be weighing our catfish and estimating the total weight in the pond. We have 100 catfish in a 300-gallon stock tank. And as you can see, the water is crystal clear. To keep this water clarity, we use coldness media, about 4 cubic feet of coldness media. And it's actually quite surprisingly difficult to catch catfish in a small pond. This is our first attempt. Put them in here. And we caught 0 catfish.
Here, Dar, help me hold it.
We'll try this again. The catfish range between 7 to 9 inches long.
Okay.
Let's weigh it.
6 catfish. Gonna weigh them.
For 6 catfish, they were approximately 400 grams, which averages about 66 grams each.
Thank you, Dara.
Since we have 100 catfish, that means we have 6 kilograms of catfish total in the pond, or about 14.5 pounds of catfish in a 300-gallon stock tank. Channel catfish are one of the best fish to raise in an aquaponic system. They're extremely hardy and can handle a wide range of temperature. In general, you should feed your catfish between 1 to 3% of the total body weight. So in this case, I'm going to be feeding them about 200 grams of catfish feed per day. I usually feed once a day in the early mornings. Here we're harvesting some water spinach or kangkong. It's one of the best plants you can have in an aquaponic system. This is a harvest after 2 weeks. It grows really fast and it's used in many dishes, stir-fries, soups, and stews. Thanks for watching and join us next time for more aquaponics videos.